Starbucks currently has 34,000 stores globally and is undoubtedly the undisputed king of the coffee realm. But did you ever imagine that within the depths of this caffeine kingdom lies a secret bank? Welcome to Do Academy. Today we embark on a journey into the caffeinated corridors of Starbucks, where the aroma of freshly brewed coffee mingles with a subtle hint of financial intrigue. So grab your favorite cup of coffee that probably has your name spelled wrong. It's time to spill the tea on Starbucks. With its clever marketing, Starbucks is now emerging as something more than a coffee chain. It's also a bank in disguise. A bank where your money sits, waits, and earn loyalty stars. The idea is that you can add money into the Starbucks reward card or mobile app. The prepaid funds then can be used for payments to earn loyalty points or stars, which can later be redeemed for food, drinks, or discounts. Through this loyalty program, Starbucks collects substantial amounts of cash from its faithful patrons. According to its Q3 2022 report, there was a staggering 27.4 million active Starbucks reward members in the US alone, and these members spend 3 times more than non-members. In fact, 53% of revenue in the US company-operated stores comes from Starbucks rewards members. Starbucks members, much like traditional bank customers, entrust the company with their funds at a whopping 1.2 billion USD to be precise, loaded onto Starbucks accounts and gift cards, waiting to be spent. 1.2 billion USD might not sound colossal, but when compared to some banks, Starbucks is giving them a run for their money. According to Wall Street Journal data, while it still has a long way to catch up with PayPal on customer deposits, Starbucks has higher deposits than Customers Bank and the Green Dot Corporation. As you can imagine, the banks aren't too pleased by this. The former CEO of Hana Financial Group, which is South Korea's third largest financial institution, even said that technology has allowed coffee companies like Starbucks to become rival to banks. But the twist is that unlike banks, Starbucks isn't shelling out interest on this considerable deposit. And let's not stop at just your interest-free loan. Starbucks also capitalizes on breakage, which is the sum left unused from gift cards. In 2021, Starbucks made bank with 164.5 million USD profit, which was approximately 10% of all store value balances. So is Starbucks really a bank? Legally, no. But it is holding on to a substantial amount of its customers' money, providing a 0% interest loan in the form of unused gift card balances. It's not just a coffee shop anymore, it's a financial phenomenon. The irony is that Starbucks is literally getting rewarded for the rewards program that was meant for customers. From a purely business perspective, Starbucks is not breaking the law, but it's a bit of a moral gray area. Some folks say that customers are getting the short end of the sticks, but others argue that customers are not putting in their life savings into the rewards account, and they still get freebies at the end of the day. This business model is so attractive, and now it seems like everyone wants a piece of the financial pie. Apple did this with Apple Pay and their exclusive Apple Card. Walmart too joined in with the Walmart Money Cut and the Walmart to Walmart money transfers. These companies are now behaving like banks without the strict rules that real banks must follow. But governments around the world are catching on. The US Consumer Financial Protection Bureau has proposed new rules that require companies offering financial services like Starbucks to register and comply with user protection laws. Europe, UK, and Australia are also waving their regulatory flags by demanding that these companies are registered and licensed by its respective financial bodies. Now, while Starbucks isn't in hot water, do you think it should spill the beans on how it profits from its rewards program? It's time to wake up and smell the coffee. There's zero reason to hand over an interest-free loan to Starbucks. So, load only what you need to earn your stars precisely before your coffee run. Spending 10 USD? Then just load 10 USD. Stash your hard-earned moolah where it earns interest and doesn't just sit there like an unloved latte on a forgotten table. While many would traditionally park their money in a high-interest savings account, some prefer investing in other financial instruments such as high-yielding stocks or bonds, real estate, foreign currency exchange, and commodities such as gold. Since average Joe investors like us don't have our own rewards program like Starbucks to generate extra income, what's your favorite money-making investment that's worked for you so far? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Be sure to like, share, and follow Do Academy for more actionable investment insights.